Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to decorate my coffee station for the Valentine's Day. It's going to be very simple, but I hope that you can get some idea. So stay with me to the end and enjoy this video. Yippee! I already have my coffee and my sugar canisters here, as well as this coffee bar sign. This is new. It's from Temu. I think I pay like $3.50 for it. And I have my coffee maker here with this one is for the milk hand mixer of the milk. So I'm gonna start on the top. For the top, beside in back of the canister, I want to put this tree that I DIY here on my channel. And this is made from a clear chopping mat, so we can put a light inside it. And the materials that I use are all from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put it just in the back of the canisters. Right there. Okay, for the other corner, I'm gonna put this towel that says there's always time for friends, wine, and coffee. This one is also from Dollar Tree. Just gonna put it here. On top of it, I'm gonna put this cake stand that I got in a garage sale, and I just spray painted the bottom. And on top of it, I'm gonna put this bowl, candy bowl. I just put some chocolates on it. This one is from Hobby Lobby. In front of it, I'm gonna put this heart that says Happy Valentine's Day. I want to put this tulip right here on top of the towel. In the middle, I'm gonna put this signs that says Open Daily, Cupid's Cafe, Love Struck Lunches, join us all day, always fresh. I don't really remember where is this from, but I got it this year. Just here on the middle. In the corner, I want to put this cupcake that I get it Hobby Lobby. It was completely white, and I just painted with acrylic paint and pink, and add some Mod Podge with glitter. This corner. Okay, that's gonna be the top. Then I'm gonna give you a closer look. I just wanna add this necklace, heart one, just here to give a little bit of a touch. Okay, now we're gonna do the second part. As you see, there's a hole here for the cable of the machine, of the coffee maker, and I'm just gonna put this. Oh, let me show you a closer look. This is a mug, a jar mug, and I got it in a thrift shop, I think for $2 a couple of years ago. And I just put this pigs. I think these pigs are from Walmart. Okay, let me move it a little bit so you can see better. Okay, so in the other corner, I'm gonna put this beautiful tray that I got it in Target in the dollar spot for $5. It's gonna be right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this cup, Beloved. It's a present from one of my students with the spoons that are from Amazon. just here. Okay, so in the tray I'm gonna put this kissing booth, $1. This one is from Dollar Tree. So I want to put this card, $3. This is from Dollar General and it lights up. I'm gonna put it right here. Near it, I'm gonna put the other cupcake that I get also in Hobby Lobby, and I painted pink. Just here on the front. Okay. This one that says Love is Brewing. This one $3.49 from Hobby Lobby, and I got it for 40% off. This small kettle also is from Hobby Lobby. I'm just gonna put it in this corner right here, and on the rest of it on the tray I'm gonna put this marshmallows hearts. These are from Dollar Tree. They smell so good. I'm just gonna put them on the tray, so when we can make the coffee, we can get some of them. Okay, so now we're gonna do the bottom part. In the bottom part, I'm just gonna put on the middle this heart that I got on Ross a couple of years ago. And it is wood, and I just put some glitter in this part. I put it right there on the middle. Okay. The other corner, I'm gonna put these cups, a set of 2 that I got. I think this one I got it in Home Goods last year. I'm just gonna put it here, and on the side of it I want to put also this beauty candy thing with a heart, that this one is from Dollar Tree. In this corner. And on the other corner, I just want to put this mug that says Grandma with a heart. I love how it is. This one, I don't really remember. I got it last year because I was a grandma for the first time, but I can't remember if this one is from Home Goods or Bell's Outlet, and I just put a couple of flowers there. In this corner, near of it, I'm gonna put this heart. This one is from Dollar Tree also. Here. And in front of it, I want to put these 2 beauties, the truck and the camping. This one is $2.99 each from Hobby Lobby, but I got it for 40% off. And I'm going to put it just here in front of the heart. For the final touch, I just want to use some of these beads from Dollar Tree. They are kisses and hearts, the same that I just used on the tree that I did on the top. And I'm just gonna put some here for a little bit of touch. On the top, I just put the picture frame with a love picture from a calendar, and I have those mugs there. And this is my coffee, tea, and chocolate station. So you can get a closer look now.
so much for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That helps so much to support it. And remember always to love and be loved. Kisses and hugs. Bye.